So you guys, I done pulled up to the place to try this Jollibee.
Early afternoon.
Yes, 1 second, please. Can I have the spaghetti? Just the spaghetti?
Okay, one regular spaghetti just by itself. Anything else?
And can I also have the spicy chicken sandwich?
And just the sandwich or the meal?
You can do the meal.
Okay, for your side and drink.
For the drink, can I have the pineapple quencher?
I'm sorry, what did you say?
For the drink, can I have the pineapple quencher?
Pineapple quencher?
Yes,
Okay.
and you can do fries.
French fries or anything else?
How does the chicken come? Like, can you just, I see the bucket. Does it come less than 6 pieces or?
Well, for the buffet, we only have 6 pieces or 10.
Oh no, I see it. Can I just do the 3-piece chicken, Joy?
Okay, 3-piece chicken joy, spicy or original?
Spicy.
And for your side and drink?
Can I just do the chicken?
Okay, just the chicken, 3-piece chicken joy, all spicy. Anything else?
And then can I also have a peach mango pie?
And 1 peach mega pie. Alright, anything else?
That's all.
Okay, it will be $31.54.
Thank you. We're gonna see if this is good. Oh, but y'all, I'm gonna eat it at home because it's raining, it's gloomy outside. We're gonna eat it at the house, so I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to the house. You smiling. He's smiling, y'all. Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. I am K.Sheron. If you are new, hello, my honeys. So yes, today we got a new video for y'all, and I'm going to be trying Jollibee. It's this thing that's been trending, going around. People been trying this food, and I was like, you know, let me try it. I like to eat, so let's get into it. It's like a Philippine fast food restaurant. So yes, I'm gonna just tell y'all what I got. I got spicy chicken. I got a little 3-piece over here. Got some fries. Got the spicy chicken sandwich. Got the spaghetti. And I got a peach mango pie. And then I also have the pineapple quencher. So this was like a lot of the things that people were getting. So we just gonna get into it and eat it. I'm gonna show y'all how everything looked though. You looking at me, baby? Ooh, it look crispy too. I already tasted a piece of the crust. It tastes cool. This is the spaghetti. And then chicken sandwich. And it just got like a little sauce on there. So, when I was smelling it in the car, y'all, I was like, it smelled a little weird. But we're gonna see, because a lot of people were saying it was good. The only thing that's questionable is the spaghetti. I ain't never had no fast food spaghetti ever. I got the spicy stick, I guess to show that it's spicy or whatever. So I want this one. Here you go. Let's see. The chicken good. It's crispy and juicy. It's good. It don't really taste spicy though. I like the chicken. You want some? You can have this, baby. You can have this. The chicken good. I like the chicken. I don't know if I'm talking with food in my mouth, but y'all I can mess with the chicken. The chicken kind of remind me of KFC chicken. But I don't want to say that because KFC chicken to me nasty. I don't know. It's good though. Okay, Jollibee. Why the chicken got a hole in it? Oh, that's from the... I'm about to say the chicken got a hole in it, but it's from this little stick. Something else, because my dress keep coming up. Oh yeah, we messing with the chicken. I don't really eat thighs, so I'm gonna give the thighs to him. I'm gonna eat it out of the leg though. That's good. And I'm hungry. You know when people say they hungry, they eat anything? No, I don't eat anything. It's really good. I'm messing with the chicken. I would definitely go back and eat the chicken. Not eat the chicken, but get it. It's juicy. Yes, see? It's juicy. This is good. I'm about to go get a knife so I can cut the chicken sandwich so he can have some of them. But we're about to taste this chicken sandwich next. But that chicken, if that chicken was, I give a chicken a 9 out of 10. The only reason why I give it a 9 out of 10 because it really don't taste spicy. But it got a good crunch and it's juicy. The chicken get a 9. I'll be back. The chicken sandwich gotta be good if the chicken was good. Let's see. Oh, yeah, pickles on here. Okay, this is the chicken sandwich. Let's see how it tastes. Let's see what it's giving. The chicken sandwich cool. It's spicy. It got like little sauce on there. They got jalapenos on them. It's good though. Chicken sandwich good. I like the sauce. The fries, okay. It tastes like fries has been in the freezer. They okay. What's that timer was for? Oh, I know. Chicken sandwich good, chicken good. I gotta go back and get that. We're gonna see about these spaghettis. Let's try to drink pineapple quencher. It's cool. It just tastes like pineapple juice. Taste this. It just tastes like pineapple juice. It just tastes like pineapple juice, huh? It's not nasty though. I probably wouldn't get that again. I gotta add me a Coke. Oh man. You're disturbing my YouTube video. This chicken sandwich good. Okay. I'm gonna eat that, but so I can finish the video, I'm gonna try the spaghetti. Let's see how the spaghetti tastes. It got like melted cheese on the top. But I eat cheese on my spaghetti, so We're gonna see. Is these wings or sausages? I don't know about eating this meat that's in them, cause that looks suspect. But we're gonna see. We're gonna twirl it around. I feel like the spaghetti not gonna be good, but we're gonna see. Let's see. Oh, it's smoking. Let's see. The spaghetti tastes like, what's the spaghetti that used to be in the can? You used to eat spaghetti in the can when you was younger? Never?
No.
Not ravioli in the can?
No.
Look at her. No, what I did. This tastes like spaghetti in the can. When we bought it for our school lunch, this tastes like spaghetti in the can, but it tastes like it got barbecue sauce or something on there. It's not nasty though. I give this like a 7.58. I eat this. You gonna taste this? Why? The spaghetti not bad. I don't know it's gonna be nasty. It's like an 8. I really taste good. You wanna taste this thing? You wanna taste this thing, Kim? I really don't even feel like eating that peach mango pie. But I'm gonna come back and let y'all know how it tastes. But overall, everything was good. I like it. I'm gonna eat just for this. I'm gonna take that meat out though. But I'm gonna catch y'all later. I'm probably just gonna put this part in like a regular video with the vlog. So if you got Jollibee where you at, try it. This all was $31. Yep, it was $31. I'm gonna like right.